All right. Next, it's long-term investments. Like if you listen to Larry Fink over at BlackRock, what does he talk about? Long-term investments. Why does he believe in long-term investments? Because their company is long-term holders of people's retirement accounts in the ETF world, right? They deal with like banks, life insurance companies globally across the world. They have 11 trillion dollars worth of assets under management. The majority of it is long-term retirement from companies, people who do the bank deposits, things like that. That's who their people are. And they believe in long term. That's what he says. It's all long term, like meaning life. You're going to put your money there and leave it there. That is why I believe real estate's the same way, because if we build a build, let's say we bought a building today. 2025, we bought a building today that was built in 2023 or 2020 or whatever. The thought process is that property will not just go away. It has to be torn down. It has to be demoed, torn down. That costs money. That takes time. And the land underneath is still going to be there and it's probably going to be built up for something else. It can't just be taken away. So your long-term play in investing your money is through the real estate. All right. So next, and this is the stuff everyone likes to talk about, but they miss these other things, why it's so important. That is the passive income. You get passive income if you're investing in like kind of like we have here. When we purchase existing income producing assets, that's what you want. You want existing asset. It already has income. I have friends of mine and people that I know that build. I have people that I met here that are building some really massive office stuff. And my question is like, who's paying for this party? You got to ask that. But if you invest in something that's already income producing, it's passive to you, meaning like you're not there, you're not showing up every day, you're not a property manager, you are investing money and it kicks out passive income to you, and all you're doing is get on the phone and checking your bank account occasionally per month. That's really what you're looking for. But real estate can provide that. Right? Most stocks don't pay, Apple's not paying a dividend. Ford Motor Company is probably going to go out of business here soon. Um, let's see what else. Even some of the REITs pay a dividend, but like I said, even if you're getting a dividend, that's not a distribution. A distribution means you're a partner. A dividend means that you're getting a piece back from a stock, a share. All right. And I did that video. You can go back and watch that video on the 4 ways to get invested in real estate. One of them was to invest in a REIT, which is really paper, which is not investing in real estate itself. Are you an accredited investor with 300,000 or more liquid in the bank? I want you to come and partner with me. Look, if you love real estate, passive income, and positive cash flow, appreciation over long periods of time, and you're willing to be patient, come invest with me. Go to bell-capital.com. This is for accredited investors with 300,000 or more in the bank, ready to go. Come invest with me. Go to bell-capital.com.